Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily Fluent English. I'm Priya.
And I'm Rohan. Hi Priya, how was your day today?
It was actually really good. I woke up at 7 a.m., went for a short walk, and then had a healthy breakfast. After that, I prepared for today's episode. What about you, Rohan? Tell me about your day.
My day was quite busy but productive. I started my morning with yoga at 6:30. Then I had an important client meeting at 10 a.m. We discussed a new project and I'm really excited about it. In the afternoon, I worked on some reports and helped my junior colleague with his presentation.
That sounds great. Did anything interesting or funny happen?
Yes, during lunch I spilled coffee on my shirt. Luckily, I had an extra shirt in my bag. It was embarrassing, but we all laughed about it. How was your afternoon?
My afternoon was nice and relaxing. I recorded 2 short English lessons and replied to some student messages. One student told me he practiced ordering coffee in English yesterday and felt very confident. That made me so happy. In the evening, I went shopping with my sister and bought some new books.
Nice. What kind of books did you buy?
Mostly English storybooks and one self-help book. Reading in English is one of my favorite hobbies. By the way, how do you usually end your day?
I usually have dinner with my family around 8 p.m. We talk about our day and share what we learned. After dinner, I read or watch an English video for 30 minutes. Then I go to bed by 10:30. Today I feel satisfied because I completed all my tasks.
That's wonderful. For our viewers, let's share some easy ways to talk about your day.
Yes, you can start like this. I had a great day. I woke up early and exercised. At work, I finished an important project. In the evening, I relaxed with my family.
Another example. Today was a bit tiring. I had 3 online classes and studied for 5 hours. But I learned a lot of new vocabulary, so I feel good.
You can also say, the highlight of my day was talking to my best friend after a long time. Or, one challenge I faced was heavy traffic on the way to office.
Exactly. Viewers, try to use these patterns. Morning. I woke up at, and I had breakfast. Work study. I attended, I finished, I worked on. Evening. I went to, I relaxed by. Feeling. I feel happy, tired, proud, relaxed.
Priya, what would you say if someone had a bad day?
Priya. I would say, today was a bit stressful. There was too much work and traffic was horrible. But I still managed to finish everything. Tomorrow will be better.
Perfect. That sounds positive even on a tough day.
So friends, every evening ask yourself or your family, how was your day? And try to speak in English for at least 1 minute. This small habit will improve your fluency very fast.
Yes, and don't forget to share your day in the comments below. We read every comment and will help you make your English better.
Thank you so much for watching Daily Fluent English. If you like this episode, please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you never miss new lessons.
Thank you so much for watching Daily Fluent English. If you liked this episode, please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you never miss new lessons. Bye-bye.